Hello there. My name is Jordan Peterson. I'm clinical psychologist at the University of Toronto. Just kidding, okay. I'm Mirjak Falkashan. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm loser. Okay, just again kidding. So, today, welcome to my channel Fake Polyglot. Today we are going to talk about learning languages. And today's topic is being bilingual or just bilingual. So, what is bilingual? Bilingual is the person who speaks two languages. And mainly we call people who are bilingual who grew up or who grow up in bilingual society. Yeah, for example, India, there people can speak English and Hindi, Urdu and English and etc. Or we can take Switzerland or also Belgium, Kazakhstan, for example. In Kazakhstan we speak Russian and Kazakh. And well, when you think just superficially, it's you think that it's very beneficial and it has it has a lot of advantages of being bilingual, and maybe it can be useful in some like work in your future work or in the university or in your life. Yeah. However, there are also problems of being bilingual. And I want to say the first problem is, well, monolingual people think that when you speak two languages, for example, in my case, Kazakh and Russian, like I speak both of them perfectly, yeah? However, the problem is that I don't speak neither Kazakh nor Russian perfectly. I speak both of them at the, well, at the very high level. However, it's not perfect at all. And for me, do not exist Kazakh language itself, like solo, like one language, and do not exist the Russian language. For me, both of them are mother tongues, because I speak the mixture of Kazakh and Russian. Well, how to call it? Kazakhstan, or maybe Russian. I don't know how to call it. Well, Kazakh Rus. So this is the language, the mixture. Yeah, you know, in India they also like they speak Hindi with their mixing with English words. And for me also, for example, a lot of Russian words for me are not Russian words. For me, just my words. Like we use it a lot. Like it's like it's my word. Like it's my mother tongue. So, well, that is the, when we say coin have two sides. Yeah, being bilingual is good and I can speak Kazakh and Russian. However, both of them are not perfect at all. But I can like say that of course in this situation, each bilingual has its the language which is more powerful, yeah, than another one. So in my case, even Kazakh language is my mother tongue, and we speak in daily life mostly Kazakh. But my Russian is my Russian is very good. It's beyond the excellent, and I think it's at the academical level, because I've read maybe, I don't know, hundreds of books in Russian. I've listened hundreds of books Russian, and when I was growing up, we were all our movies were in Russian. We listened to Russian songs. That's why I think that Russian language is more powerful, and for me it's very easy to express my ideas and thoughts in Russian. When I write songs, for example, or poems, I also write them in Russian language. Well, and my Kazakh language is just at conversational level, but it's I think too simple maybe, yeah, and it's not at academical level. And so I was thinking about that. Well, being bilingual, yeah, you know both languages, but not both of them perfect, or maybe one you know perfectly well, another one is less good, yeah. So in order to resolve this problem, because I want to speak my mother tongue, Kazakh, because I'm Kazakh, yeah, by nationality. So I want to speak my mother tongue very well also, even, yeah, because of that. And I realized, like recently, like several days ago, that I I've never read any books in Kazakh language. Yeah. Well, of course, there are less books in Kazakh language comparing to Russian, even though you can find it because we live in Kazakhstan, and you can find it. And I was thinking about that, and I know that reading in Kazakh language is enormously difficult for me. It's highly difficult because, well, I speak Kazakh only at conversation level. It's not deep. My knowledge in Kazakh, it's not deep. When I read in Kazakh, for me it's very difficult because I don't know a lot of words. And maybe if I read like Kazakh literature from like 19th century, well, it's really a challenge for me. Well, because of that, like 2 days ago, yeah, I guess, or 3 days ago, my girlfriend heard my thoughts, and she gifted me. She bought me this book, yeah, like a present. This is my first book in Kazakh language. It's called Mahabat Kazakh Moljuldar by Azarkhan Nurshaykhov. So this is the book which was written in the middle of the 20th century. The man who came back from Second World War, and he started studying at university. So he's writing about love stories that he had during in the university time. So this is very classic. This is very famous book. Everyone read it, and there are a lot of philosophical thoughts. So, well, and I started, and my aim is reading by 10 pages every day. So because I know the power of reading, I know that reading is very powerful thing in language learning. You can boost your knowledge in each language. Well, I thought that, well, I started reading books in English in original versions. For example, currently I'm reading 1984 by George Orwell. Well, also I'm learning how to read in Spanish. Yeah, I'm reading kind of at the intermediate level. So I thought, why not my mother tongue? Yeah, why not Kazakh? So, well, from this point, I decided to develop my Kazakh language, to boost it, to improve it, because I want to speak perfectly. Not like, well, of course, reaching perfectness is just dream, yeah, it's fiction. Well, however, at least I can achieve some very good academical level, and it's like when you like aiming at the moon. Even you don't even you if you won't reach the moon, you are among the stars, yeah, you reach the stars. So something like this. So guys, this is my thoughts about being bilingual. I think, well, I hope that you like it. So if you like it, please leave the comments, subscribe, and put likes. So thank you. Goodbye.